In this evening's Ray of Hope, a student is shining a positive light on his school, community, and family, and he's doing so using sports. Ramada Lyons explains.
Cumberland High School teachers cheering on the school's sole competitor at the 2026 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, 19-year-old Deshaun Daly.
I felt really emotional because I know that I made myself and everyone proud, and it was just a very, very, very lovely moment. I wish I could see that day every day.
A royal welcome even from his peers. He didn't make it on the podium, but just to be in the conversation was a personal victory. The youngster acknowledges stereotypes slapped onto certain schools, including his.
You can't really judge a book by its cover, and you can't make one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. So it's even one student at Cumberland can even make a change.
The kind of change that takes fighting, one he's accustomed to. He's had to deal with back-to-back losses during high school. He lost his brother 6 months ago, and his mother over a year now. As a result, sometimes running is an escape.
Emotionally and mentally, it's been a toll on my life ever since I lost both of them. But I cried sometimes I don't. Sometimes I would jog on the road to just get a little feeling back of joy and that. But when I lost them, it was very, very sad. And even now, talking to you now, still as I told him, you see me.
His life was yet again uprooted as he had to relocate.
Because of my stepfather, he has glaucoma and cataract over his eyes, so he's partially blind at the moment. So I have to be there with him, to comfort him and just be there to help him out.
Back to the track, he had to look elsewhere for training, a plan only made possible by a police youth club.
I was friends with this Era 4 girl, and I never had a coach at the time, and she does track and field, and I asked her if she knew any coach that could coach me. And we were passing Kingston Technical Field, and she said, I know the coach over there. I can ask him if you want to come there and, train. And I went there once, and he asked me what's my personal best and all that, and I told him, and he said, all right, I can come tomorrow, but I already have my track shoes and everything on me the same day. So I said, well, you're ready then, so let's start training.
It's why he says he will return to Cumberland in the future to help out with a track program and students wanting to make their mark.
Yes, I would like to come back to Cumberland, if a program is either here or our next school, if they want to do track and field and they don't have a program, yes, I would love to, help them, because I feel like every youth that dreams to be what they want to be, they can be it, because it's possible.
In the meantime, the youngster has his sights set on education.
In the 10th grade, I did agriculture, and I got a 3 in it. Now I'm doing 4 subjects to get 5 to pursue to either a college here or overseas.
With your ray of hope, I'm Ramada Lyons.